Hey everyone, welcome to dubventures. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for today. We're picking the van up because it's been converted. Now there is some other things that we still need to do, but when we pick the van up, we're going to give you a tour of everything, show you exactly what we've had done and tell you what it is that we're actually going to be doing next. So, here we are. There's our bed. I know I'm building it up here, but let's have a look. What are you doing, Brandon?
Just trimming the bed up, putting some holes in, and then we'll get it fixed in. And we're about done.
You've not seen the bed yet, but like you just said, we're just going to trim it just to get the exact size and everything, so...
Here we go.
I'll leave you to it, I'll leave you to it. I'm just going to show you a clip of what the van looked like before inside. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I'll show you, we've actually had a Webasto heater fitted. You can probably just hear it in the background. That's where the leisure battery is. Voltmeter, some sockets there. We've actually got two 12-volt sockets there. We will show you what they're going to be used for in another video. And then we've got this bed frame here. We are going to do an actual van tour, you know, at some point. But while we're here right now, they're just making some adjustments with the bed and everything, so I'll let them get on with that. We just want to get camping, don't we?
Yes.
We just want to get out there, get some well camping and things done.
Obviously, we've still got a lot more to do with the van.
Yeah, but the thing is now, we can actually do some camping. We're actually going to go and get a mattress that we can actually put on, you know, for the time being. But there is like certain things, you know, that we need to do, but we just need the basics doing.
And there's some things that we're going to do as well.
Yeah, because obviously, as you can see, we've got the windows in. I'll just show you here. Obviously, we've got the window in there, but there is like other things that we're going to do. Now, the thing is, I'll just go here and show you. We were looking at actually like putting like some type of like U-shaped like conversion type of thing here. We've looked at all our different options, and I think we're actually going to fit like a seating area here.
Yeah, and a table.
Yeah, and a table, but we are going to be doing that not yet, so stay tuned for that one.
Hair's looking a bit thin on that.
I can't see anything. So we're actually in the office at the moment, pricing something else up, but like I said, I'm going to tell you about that.
The only baby. Yeah. Oh boy.
Right, we've been here pretty much all afternoon. Big thank you to Brandon. I've said it so many times in so many videos, and this is the first actual Volkswagen craft that you've like actually done.
Yeah.
And you've learnt a lot, haven't you, by doing this?
Loads.
Now, what I will say is, I know that a lot of people have asked us like questions about getting a Volkswagen Crafter campervan converted. I will put all the links and everything that you need in the description of the video to contact this guy. And like I said, give him a ring. Really friendly, really helpful. And I'm just checking he's like, he's a bit cautious about how he stands on videos, a bit like, but no, really appreciate it. Can't recommend him enough. What do you think, Thor? Give him a call. Check it out. Sat, chilling. And we need some accessories for the camper van, like a mattress, so let's go. Do you know what? We're not in our house. We're in IKEA. So let's go and pick a mattress up for the van. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have found the dubventures computer desk. IKEA's glued the pies in. We've come to look at the camper van bed and we're getting giddy, aren't we? Because we're looking at all the other things for the house. We are actually getting a double one of these, but obviously Brooke's testing out the single one. What do you think? Yeah.
Is it heavy, that, Tom? Do you remember we did say we're keeping the bloopers in?
Yeah, we did. We'll leave that bit in. I thought I was going to be able to lift this up and sling it over, but there we go. I'm still going, I'm still going.
I feel like my stuff's heavier.
It's a few days later. Time to get this mattress on. There we go, one mattress fitted. Yes. Now what I will say is, the actual van, like the things that we're doing in here, it's not actually finished yet. We've still got like more things to do. We've still got a few like things that we need to like put like carpet on. So we've got the van. At least now we're in a position where we can actually go places and things. Obviously we need to get the bed made up and we need to like make like a bulkhead thing here. Like I said, we're still not done yet. We've still got things to do, but we can actually now do some well camping. So guys, it's actually a couple of days later. Now, I know in that video that we actually showed that like we put that mattress in and you know, we was going to use that, but we've been doing some research and we're actually getting an actual mattress made to fit the exact shape of it. So just wanted to tell you that what you've seen there is, that's not how we're keeping it. We just thought that we would try and see that if we could get the double mattress that we got from IKEA fitted in there, but it's a little bit too big. But the mattress is not going to waste because we're moving house and we are going to use it. So do stay tuned, because the company that we're using, like I said, we're actually getting a bespoke mattress made. And you know what, when we get that done, we're going to take you guys with us and we're going to show you how it's done, because I think it's going to help a lot of people out.